Now we're going to install Xampp on the Mac. So I'm going to pull up Chrome and I'm going to search for Xampp download and click on the first link, which is apachefriends.org download.html. And I'm going to scroll down until I find Mac OS X, and I'm going to take the latest one, which is PHP 7. So we'll download 64-bit, and that will take a couple of minutes. Okay, now it's installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open the installer. And let's see. Yes, I definitely want to do this. And I'll add my password. And it should be installing now. So I'll take the default settings. Ignore that. And then back to the installer, click Next. Okay, so it's creating the uninstaller. And there we go. So instead of launching Xampp, I'm going to do this manually so that you know how to do it. So I'm unchecking that and finishing. And then I'm going to go to Finder and close the installer here. And in your Applications folder in Finder, you should have a Xampp folder. And you'll see there are some links to other folders here. So one of the important ones is this htdocs folder. That's where your documents are going to go. And this is also under Xampp files, htdocs. So here's the real folder. This is just a link to it. And one of the things that's sort of important about the Xampp install is to make sure that everybody has read and write permission on this htdocs folder. So I'm going to select that folder and then go to File, Get Info, and then scroll to the very bottom, and here you'll see the sharing and permission. And you'll see that everyone has read-only permission. I'm going to change that. So I'm going to unlock. And then I'm going to click and select Read and Write. And then I'm going to lock it again. So now everybody has read and write permission to htdocs. And then to actually start Xampp, I'm going to go back to my Xampp folder, and you'll see this manager-osx. I'm going to start that. And it pops under. So under Manage Servers, Apache Web Server is already running. That's probably an old version, so I'm going to stop that. And now I'm going to start Apache. And it started. There's also an application log where you can see what it's doing. And then I'm also going to start MySQL. Okay, so I should be running now. Now to check whether I'm actually running, I'm going to open a new tab in my browser, and I'm going to go to localhost. And sure enough, if you see this, that means Xampp is running. Here's the version. And there's also this tab for PHP info, which will tell you something about your PHP installation. So that should be everything you need to install Xampp on OS X.